Want to turn casual visitors into loyal subscribers? It all starts with your YouTube channel layout. Think of it as your digital storefront. Is it inviting? Does it tell people exactly what you're about in just a few seconds? First up, your channel banner. This is prime real estate. Use a high-quality image that showcases your brand, your face, or what your content is about. Add your channel name, and maybe even your upload schedule right on the banner. Next, your channel trailer. This is your elevator pitch. Keep it short, punchy, and under a minute. Show off your best clips and tell viewers what they'll get by subscribing to your channel. For returning subscribers, set up a featured video to highlight your latest or most popular upload. Finally, organize your content using playlists and sections. Group similar videos together, like beginners, guides, or weekly vlogs. This makes it super easy for viewers to binge watch your content. A well-designed layout looks professional and keeps people on your channel longer. Try these tips out and watch your engagement grow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creator tips. See ya.